टू एस्थेटिक सर्जरी ॲज इट इज नोन ॲज कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी. कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी वगैरे असं काही नसतं, त्याला सायंटिफिक टर्मिनॉलॉजी एस्थेटिक सर्जरी. सगळीकडे असं बोकळणे कॉस्मेटॉलॉजी आणि काय कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी. सो आयडियली असा काही शब्द नाही. आयडियली जर म्हटलं सॉरी एस्थेटिक सर्जरी. तर त्याच्या आधी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आय वुड लाईक टू इंट्रोड्यूस व्हॉट इज प्लास्टिक सर्जरी. पहिलं म्हणजे व्हॉट इज द नेम, वाय डू वी हॅव द नेम प्लास्टिक. इज इट अ यूज ऑफ प्लास्टिक इन दिस सर्जरी? नो, नॉट एट ऑल. इट कम्स फ्रॉम द वर्ड plasticos. Plasticos is a Greek word. Something which can be remolded, reshaped. जे शेप आपल्याला चेंज करता येतो, ग्रीकमध्ये त्याचं नाव आहे प्लास्टिकोस. त्याच्यावर नाव शब्द आलेला आहे प्लास्टिक सर्जरी. The scope, what is the scope of plastic surgery? So basically it is a very very broad super specialty which covers reconstructive surgery. So cancer tumor removal नंतर जे reconstruction असतं ते आपण कव्हर करू शकतो. There is just एक एक्झाम्पल देऊ शकतो. तर दॅट इज रिकन्स्ट्रक्टिव्ह सर्जरी. तुमचे कंजनायटिव्ह डिफेक्ट्स असतात जे बर्थमध्ये असतात, ते लहान मुलांचे असतात, दॅट इज अगेन पार्ट ऑफ प्लास्टिक सर्जरी. Burns is again reconstruction, that is again a part of plastic surgery. Hand surgery, any injury to the hand or any other issues with the hand, nerve issues, that also comes under plastic surgery. And of course aesthetic surgery or cosmetic surgery, which is usually known, which is the most glamorous and most popular these days. So there is a lot of people who are work it. So what is the scope of aesthetic surgery? So basically प्लास्टिक सर्जरीमध्ये वजन कमी होतं आणि वजन कमी करतं नाही. आम्ही बेरियाट्रिक सर्जरी करत नाही, आम्ही फक्त बॉडी कॉन्टुरिंग करतो. सो वी आर बेसिकली बॉडी कॉन्टुरिंग सर्जन. सो वी गिव शेप टू युअर बॉडी, more of sculpting of the body. So this is what is our field. So which will have facial rejuvenation, so sagging of face with aging, so giving lift to the face, which may be surgical, non-surgical, any other modality. So we can do that. Any other body augmentation, so body lifts, excess fat, loose skin, any part of the body, thighs, stomach, anywhere we can do body augmentation, breasts, anywhere we can do that. Hair transplant, which I have not done. So these are some of the, I am just giving few examples, and general idea. Now there are a lot of myths about cosmetic surgery and aesthetic surgery. That this is dangerous, cosmetic surgery is bad, people die with cosmetic surgery. ऐसा कहीं नहीं है. So lot of people come to me and ask me, this is dangerous, will I die? So air travel में जो accidents होता, they will generalize and say that every airplane crashes. So these are generally all of them are standard surgical procedures. Problems happen when person is inexperienced or person is not qualified. Plastic surgeons are MBBS, MS and they have done MCH in plastic surgery, which are all disciplines of medicine and it's a super specialty. So most importantly, who is doing, what is the qualification is very very important. That's very safe and qualified. And the risk is always there in any procedure, right? From a dental procedure to any procedure, you will have some risk. That doesn't mean that everything is bad. Okay, so 1 or 2% chance can happen that you can have some issue. Okay. So, but generally, very very safe procedures. So again, I have said before, is liposuction the same as bariatric surgery? Not at all. Bariatric surgery addresses your weight. It's a totally different ballgame, and we are only body contouring or we are involved in sculpture of the body. So another concept is liposuction causes weight loss. No, it does not cause weight loss. It just gives shape to your body. Another concept is fat which has gone will come back. No, fat which has gone ते परत कधीच येणार नाही. फक्त एक सिंपल एक्झाम्पल माझे ज्याच्याकडे मी ट्रेनिंग घेतलं होतं त्यांनी सांगितलं की एका रूममध्ये 1000 जर फुगे असतील तर यू कॅन रिमूव्ह 500 फुगे, बट दोज रिमेनिंग 500 कॅन फिल अप द रूम. सो यू हॅव टू follow a basic lifestyle, not that we body contouring केलं तर you starve for the rest of your life or 2 months stand करा. basic extract, you need to start a basic lifestyle to maintain a healthy lifestyle to maintain the results that you got from a surgical or a non-surgical aesthetic surgery procedure. So lifestyle modification, which you need not just go for a aesthetic procedure, it is important anywhere. We all should have lifestyle modification, proper lifestyle. Another myth is breast implants cause cancer. Implants cause they affect breastfeeding. Absolutely no. It is absolutely proven that standard safe breast implants do not cause cancer. There was one kind of a lymphocytic reaction, which is white blood cell reaction, which caused something like a granuloma, like a chronic inflammation, which was supposed to be thought few years back, just about 4-5 years back, that this is a type of cancer seen in women with breast implants. But it has been proven that it is not a cancer. There is no definite link to breast implants and this kind of condition. So breast implants from standard manufacturers, which are FDA approved, even in India they are using standard breast implants, and they are very very safe. There is no problem as such. I'm just highlighting what is the common thing prevalent in the society. Another big thing is about, so when you talk of cosmetic surgery, पहिलं काय म्हणत होतं liposuction, मग काय होतं breast implant, मग काय म्हणत होतं botox. तर हा चालू होता, नाही खतरनाक आहे, डेंजरस आहे, असं काही नाही. मतलब I do not like using for botox as a brand. Botulinum toxin. तर botulinum toxin म्हणजे काय असतं? Clostridium botulinumचं poison असतं. Yes, it is a poison. पण ते काय करतं? Muscle relax करतं. So basically आपल्या एजिंग प्रोसेसमुळे आपल्या चेहऱ्यावरचे मसल्स सगळे स्ट्रॉंग होतात, त्यामुळे डोळे लहान होतात, फेस असा आपला एजेड दिसतो. सो इफ यू यूज बोटॉक्स इन द राईट मसल्स, ते मसल्स रिलॅक्स होतात, फेसला रिज्युमिनेशन होतं आणि फेस लुक्स व्हेरी व्हेरी एब्सोल्युटली सेफ, नो पॉयझन. सगळे ऑल मेडिसिन्स आफ्टर अ सर्टन डोस आर ऑल पॉयझन्स. Okay, so let us be very clear that we are not using anything which is harmful. And we use it in such small doses that it doesn't cause any damage. So दुसरा म्हणतात की फक्त बायका करतात ते. आता आजकाल everyone is so conscious about their looks. When women all of them come, then सगळे म्हणतात ना हे फक्त सेलिब्रिटीज करतात, अजिबात नाही. So everyone is conscious about looks. आमच्याकडे जे पेशंट येतात ते कम फ्रॉम ऑल वॉक्स ऑफ लाईफ. अगदी नॉर्मल आपल्यासारख्या घरांमधले लोक पण येतात, अगदी सगळ्यांना जे वर कॉन्शियस टू हॅव समथिंग कॉल्ड एज अ बॉडी सेल्फ, जे आपल्याला सगळ्यांना असते. काही लोकांच्या खूप जास्त असते, काही लोकांच्या खूप कमी असते बॉडी सेल्फ, की ह्या मला काय फरक पडते. सम पीपल आर व्हेरी व्हेरी कॉन्शियस की नो आय वॉन्ट दिस टू बी डन. So we are there to address that and within the realistic limits. So we have to be very realistic and explain to them what is possible and what is not, which normally generally we do. There are some people who are very dynamic and want to, they are over aggressive, but so that then things start going wrong. It is surgery of the celebrities and the rich? No. It is a lot of the celebrities and all they do it, but it is surgery which is very very common. Again, as I said, something called as a body self-image, which is very very strong in some people. So we need to address that. Some people have this concept of I want to age gracefully. Fine. Who are accepting what they have is fine. But then some people say no, I want to get certain things done. Yes, so we are there where we can really step in. We can do it. आणि काही म्हणतात अरे ते कळतं तुम्ही प्लास्टिक सर्जरी केली, त्यांनी प्लास्टिक सर्जरी केली, पण ते जे तुम्ही बघता की अरे नक्की केलं आहे, दे आर लाईक वॉट 10 or 5 or 10% ऑफ द पॉप्युलेशन हू हॅज अंडरगॉन दिस प्रोसिजर. 90% लोक जे तुमच्या आजूबाजूला तुम्ही अरे काय छान दिसते किंवा काय छान दिसतो, त्यांनी सुद्धा केलेलं असं तुम्हाला कळणार पण 90% ऑफ द पॉप्युलेशन हू अंडरगोज दीज प्रोसिजर्स तुम्हाला कळणार पण नाही. बट स्टील यू अप्रिशिएट देअर ब्युटी और देअर फ्रेशनेस और ओव्हरऑल फिटनेस और वॉट एव्हर. And show some results, the whole field of whatever we are doing. So rhinoplasty is reshaping of the nose. हे आता बेसिक स्मॉल ग्राफिक आहे, सर्जिकल प्रोसिजर आहे. आता हे नाकाचा टेप बसलेला होता. So we have raised that recently. You can see that, you can appreciate the difference, how much difference it can make. And subtle आहे, म्हणजे त्याच्यात स्कार दिसत नाही, काय नाही. So that is how we have to evolve this procedure. Again something with a nasal pump. बऱ्याच वेळेला नाकाला पोपट नाक जे आपण म्हणतो ते लोकांना करेक्ट करून हवं असतं. सो दिस इज वॉट यू कॅन डू. स्किन खूप सॅग झाली तर फेसलिफ्ट एक ऑप्शन असतो, पण ती सर्जरी असते. सो बट यू कॅन ॲप्रिशिएट, आय कॅन शो द फेसेस फॉर कॉन्फिडेन्शियलिटी इश्यूज, बट यू कॅन ॲप्रिशिएट left side of face to be sag, to the right side they will see that there is an obvious lift to the face, face looks much younger. Left side is before, right side is after. Other thing is people have is eyelids. Eyelids skin loose झालेलं असतं. किंवा lower eyelids तुम्हाला fat bags येतात. That happens with age. काही लोकांना ती young age मध्ये येतं, म्हणजे 30s, 40s मध्ये येतं. Then we can address this again a surgical procedure. So here you can appreciate. Here she looks tired, the eyes look smaller. You cannot see the scar on the right side. The upper eyelid has been modified and the eyes look bigger, they look fresher. The face looks fresh. Another one. Again, the eye looks small, tired. Here the eye looks bigger, it looks fresh. So then we have something with, we do not do surgery. We have hyaluronic acid gel fillers. Now again, you have standard American companies, Chinese माल कुठेही मिळतो, तर we should not be using Chinese माल. So त्याच्यात फक्त छोटी छोटी इंजेक्शन्स द्यायला लागतात ॲट स्पेसिफिक पॉईंट्स. ते केलं की एक अर्ध्या तासात तुम्हाला डिफरन्स कळतो की ते फेसलिफ्ट सारखं होतं. त्याच्यात चेहरा इथं बघा कसा ब्रॉड आहे लेफ्ट साईडला, आणि ऑन द राईट साईड ॲप्रिशिएट द फेस इज लुकिंग नॅरो. नॅरो फेस signifies you. Broad face जसा होतो, aging जसा होतं, the face becomes broader at the base, lower part of the face. ते lips मध्ये पण करतात. I believe in very very subtle changes. तर तुम्हाला जर हे थकलं तर तुम्हाला हे कळणार पण नाही की इथं फिलर्स केलेलं, but the lips are looking very good. So I believe in absolutely subtly making it very subtle. Under eye dark circles हा एक फार मोठा प्रॉब्लेम असतो. Stress, tension, worries त्याच्यामुळे येतात. But this also can be corrected with the hyaluronic acid gel fillers. Of course, these are not permanent. Botox is also not permanent. This is also not permanent. But Botox 6 महिने इफेक्ट राहतो, ह्याचा अराउंड 1 वर्ष ते 3 वर्ष इफेक्ट राहतो. So it is good. तुम्हाला जसं हवं तसं तुम्ही करू शकता. If you don't want, you are free not to do it. And again, this is a facial slimming with Botox. Face broad this way, the face is the angle well defined is that face is looking little fresher. इथं फेस परत नॅरो केलेला आहे, या बोटॉक्सनीच केलेला आहे. तर कंजेनायटल आता हे दिस वॉज अ यंग गर्ल हू केम टू मी ऑल द वे फ्रॉम कोलकाता. तर यंग गर्ल आहे, असा कान जर असेल तर तिला काहीच म्हणजे लग्नाचे वगैरे सगळे इश्यूज येतात. सो लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स यंग बॉयज अँड गर्ल्स विल कम ॲट अ मॅरेजेबल एज. How we can offer certain things for congenital or birth defects also. So this is the most spoken about topic, breast implant. अभी आधीच म्हणले breast implants are very very safe and there is no problem with implants. They give very good results. So people say कशाला पाहिजे? तर कशाला पाहिजे is not someone else's call. कशाला पाहिजे is the call of that individual lady, woman or girl, whoever that person. It gives extremely pleasing results and the whole psyche of a person changes if that person really wants it. And the whole idea is to make it look natural. So I have a story to tell you. एक मुलगी आहे माझ्याकडे 22-23 वर्षाची. She came with her father. आणि the father said तिला इम्प्लांट्स करायचे आहेत and म्हटलं आर यू ॲग्रींग फॉर इट. तर म्हणे इनिशियली मारवाडी फॅमिलीमधून होती. इनिशियली म्हणली की ते म्हणले की आधी उडून लावलं हे काय असलं कसं आपल्याला हे करायचं नाही. मग ते म्हणले आय स्टार्टेड रिअलायझिंग की कुठच्याही फॅमिली फंक्शन किंवा काहीही असेल तर दिस गर्ल यूज टू सल्व, ती कोपऱ्यात जाऊन बसायची, शी हॅड सायकोलॉजिकल इश्यूज. आणि आता मला हे करायचं. ऑपरेशन झाल्याच्या 3 आठवड्यांनी वडील परत आले आणि ते म्हणले तुम्ही माझ्या मुलीचं आयुष्य बदललं. शी हॅज चेंज ॲज अ पर्सन. शी इज अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बट शी हॅज चेंज ॲज अ पर्सन. So if you want an augmentation, sometimes breast reduction is also an issue. Oversized breasts also an issue. So this also can be addressed. But it leaves scars. But then it comes to this stage that no one is bothered about the scars. They say that just get rid of it. We really want to get rid of it. Backache problem असू शकतात. And there are so many issues with overtly sized breast, and it's very embarrassing issue and there's a lot of problems. So again, this can be addressed. So just as you have women with breast and chest issues, you have men with breast and chest issues. So you have men, boys having almost women-like chest. So there again we can address by sucking out of the fat and removing the gland. This is called gynecomastia. तर हे gynecomastia आपण address केलेलं आहे. You can see the difference here. Fat chest. Again, you can do this. Again, a young boy's confidence will change completely if this is done and if he undergoes this procedure, and it really changes. Liposuction, very talked about and hype procedure is nothing. It's just sucking out of the fat. Of course, it's a lot of effort, very scientific, technical with all the landmarks and असं करायला लागतं. पण हे कॅन्युला सारखं डिव्हाइस असं ते आत जातं, त्याच्यातून तुम्ही फॅट सक करता. अगेन इट इज very pleasing results. Again, it is only for body contouring. Liposuction ni वजन कमी होत नाही. You don't lose weight. So I'll show you some results of liposuction. Tummy, flanks. Eyes, तर हे असे eyes सुद्धा आपण modify करू शकतो. Then you work extremely good shape to the eyes. Very common issue. Even with children, they will have loose skin. So it is a little longer operation, little bigger operation, but it gives wonderful results. Loose skin आपण काढून टाकतो. मसल जे असतात ते आपण टायटन करू शकतो. abdomenचे मसल जे लूज झालेले असतात आणि खाली आपण सिझेरियन सेक्शन सारखा स्कार मध्ये ऍडजस्ट करू शकतो. Absolutely flat tummy, scar येतो पण तो स्कार खूप पिडत असतो आणि कॉर्नर्समध्ये कधी थोडं ॲडजस्टमेंट लागतं, पण ऑब्वियस लूज हँगिंग स्किन सगळे आपल्याला करेक्ट करता येते. हे अजून एक कमी करत आहे. हेअर ट्रान्सप्लांट खूप कॅन्डिडेट्स आहेत, स्वतः सुद्धा कॅन्डिडेट आहे. तर हे असं मायक्रो पंचेसनी आपण फॉलिकल हार्वेस्ट करतो. हे सगळं लोकल ॲनेस्थेसियामध्ये, घाबरायचं काही कारण नाही आहे, ऑपरेशनचंच आहे, पण हे आपण लोकल ॲनेस्थेसियामध्ये असे काढतो आणि मग हे ग्राफ्ट आपण काढतो. हे सगळं लोकल ॲनेस्थेसियामध्ये पेशंट जागा आहे. Then we plant the grafts in the air-bearing area. The whole idea is to plant it as naturally and as good as it would have been. However, what he has made, nobody can make. Okay, so we try to go as close as possible to the normal, giving maximum density and making it look as natural as possible. These are some of the results of hair transplant. Some of the results of hair transplant. हे तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का कोण आहे? सेकंड पेशंट सांगितलं तुम्हाला, ते स्वतःच सांगतात मी केलं, तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. थँक्यू. Weight loss after breast. See, again as I said, every aesthetic surgery procedure is essentially a body contouring procedure. So breast reduction will not give a loss in weight or in that matter.
But how much of the fat is
removed?
Yeah, because
Oh, it depends on the shape and the size of the breast. So that is very good. You have to match it. So make sure that both sides are equal. Okay, so that's very good. So we may remove 500 grams, we may remove 700 grams. It depends on the shape and size of the breast. It's totally variable, a person to person difference.
what about the person's weight loss journey post? Like suppose
Nothing to do with, nothing.
the fluctuations in weight.
Will affect the, so if the breast has predominantly fat, then yes, that fat, if it goes, then you might have a little sagging, and the result, so breast reduction will always come with the breast lift also. So if you lose fat, and if the breast is predominantly fatty in a little older woman, then there will be a little sag, and you can lose a little bit of results of that.
For males,
what means?
The reduction and the weight loss?
Not really, not so much. So because as it is, it is not so much of an issue of fat or more of a gland in a male.
Right.
So weight gain or weight loss will not affect so much as much as
Post-surgery.
post-surgery. So in women also it doesn't affect so much, but yes, there is a technically, yes, scientifically it's possible. Yeah. But by and large the results of both these, all the breast surgeries, men, women, phenomenal results.